Catholics, Orthodox, Protestants, we're all trying to fight each other on the internet right now. And for a little over a year and a half, it's been my goal to foster Christian unity instead of Christian division. And the reason it's been so successful is because of you guys watching this video. You have supported me in everything I've made. You've commented, you've liked, you've subscribed. You've built upon the conversations that I've started with these little videos I make. And so it excites me to say I've launched a Patreon, which is linked down below. If you sign up for a Patreon membership, you get exclusive behind the scenes content, bonus content, hot takes, and ramblings from yours truly. And you get to help partner with me to create better content. You get to pitch ideas, give me your thoughts on past content that I made. There's also a live chat room where we can all discuss different theology topics, where we're at in our faith journey, video ideas, whatever you want. There is also a free option on my Patreon, which includes a reading list, a study guide, and free posts that just keep you updated on what's going on with the channel. The goal of this is to broaden the circle and bring more people into this effort to foster Christian unity on the internet. So if you want to partner with me and what's going on at Christianity United, check out the Patreon link below and see if it works for you. I'll see you in the chat room. I'm Joey. This is an iPhone instead of a normal microphone, and this is Christianity United.